Welcome back, guys. On today's video I just want to show you how to potentially successfully tie down your jet ski or even your boat down to a trailer, just using quite an easy method of just some eye bolts and some straps. It's rather cheap. Okay, so you don't actually need that many tools. High powered drill if you have one, or you can even just use a small drill. It doesn't matter. I use that one, didn't have this one here. You need a socket in whatever size socket your eye bolt has, and you also need a ratchet or anything just to tighten down your eye bolt. You need a pilot drill, that just makes life a lot easier, and then a big drill, but this is a 16mm. That's how big this threaded part of the eye bolt is, and usually these don't have the ability to just go straight in, so having a pilot hole really just makes it a lot easier. Okay, so to start things off, you just want to go and measure out your equidistance from, a point of the same distance from like the side or the middle or whatever, and you just want to mark it off and drill in your pilot hole. And then you also just want to go and put in your big drill bit as well and just whack it in there. It's going to take some time. Just be patient with it, don't press too hard, because then it'll kind of just mess it up a bit. Okay, so once you finally got through and drilled your holes in there, you just want to go and get your eye bolt, and then you want to put it in, and then you want to go and put your washer in on top of that, and then your lock nut. Okay, so obviously because it's a lock nut, it's going to have quite a bit of resistance, so you want to go and tighten down this side or hold down this side. So what I did is just use an extender bar from the ratchet, and then so this will kind of just hold it like that, and then just use your ratchet and go at it until it's tight. Okay, so now that you successfully tightened everything down, you're done. The reason why I'm putting one in the front and then two at the back is the two at the back is to obviously hold the back down so that it doesn't bounce when you go over a bump, and then the one in the front here is just as a safety measure in case this whole contraption here fails, in case your winch unclips and starts rolling out or something like that. So it's just a safety precaution just to make sure everything's safe while you're traveling. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. It's really quick to do, just to drill 6 holes actually, and then thread in your eye bolts, and then that's it. It's done, secure, and now you don't have to worry about your jet ski or boat, for matter of fact, just falling off your trailer or getting damaged while it's bouncing around on your trailer.